Stop. Unload and show clear.
Well, guys, that's not the way I wanted to start out the 2024 season. Went up to El Dorado Hills to shoot their USPSA match today. We wanted to get done before this weather system rolled in, which we finished right about 1 o'clock, or a little bit before 1 when the rain started to roll in. But I got DQ'd on the third stage for breaking the 180. It was really close. I'm sure that I did. The guy made a good call. Just broke my wrist a little bit too much during the reload. So we'll see what happened in the video.
Are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by. Stop. Unload and show clear.